Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have admin access and a live site. Start by installing a plugin like Ad Inserter or Advanced Ads. Once installed, activate it and open its settings. Create a new ad slot and select type, image, HTML5, or AdSense. Upload creative or paste code, then name the slot clearly so you can find it later. While doing this, set display conditions roughly where you want it to appear, for example header, sidebar, or within posts to test placement quickly. Once the slot exists, choose placement method, automatic insertion by position, manual shortcode, or widget. Automatic insertion lets you pick before content, after paragraph, or in excerpts. Manual shortcodes allow precise page-level control. Next, configure targeting rules so ads show only on chosen categories, single posts, or mobile devices to improve relevance. If you have multiple creatives, enable rotation and frequency capping to avoid ad. Publish your changes and clear any caching or CDN to ensure new code loads. Verify on desktop and mobile. Make sure images and iframes scale correctly and don't break layout. If ads fail to appear, disable other plugins to find conflicts, confirm your ad code or publisher ID is correct, and check console errors for blocked resources. Use incognito mode to bypass login-based blocking. Once fixed, monitor impressions and click data for a few days, then tweak placement or targeting as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.